Time check is 6:22 and we're heading at City Hall ng Pasay. So we'll be receiving an award today and it's going to be a long day. So join me here at City Hall ng Pasay. You guys.
Please join Mayor Emmy and the rest of the city officials as we announce this year's awardees. May I also call Mr. Bayani Liwanag Jr. of the City Tourism and Cultural Development Office to join Ma'am Test and the rest. Good morning, everyone. Today we are privileged to witness as we give honor and recognition to our deserving significant personalities. Bago po natin iabot ang kanilang mga plaque, hayaan niyo pong basahin ko ang nilalaman nito. Ang bilang pagkilala sa kanyang kahusayan at makabuluhang ambag sa pagkataguyod at pagpapaunlad ng sining, kultura at kalinangan ng lungsod ng Pasay. Iginawad ngayong 16 ng Marso, 2026 sa bulwagan ng lungsod ng Pasay. Nilagdaan ng Alcalde Imelda Calixto Rubiano, Kongresista Antonina G. Calixto, at Tagapangulo ng Pasay Culture and the Arts Council, Teresita Robles. Congratulations sa ating mga awardee. Now, May I call on our first awardee to receive the plaque? Dr. Mercedes Barredo Concepcion. Dr. Concepcion was regarded as the mother of demography in Asia. She was awarded the title of National Scientist by President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo in 2014. On behalf of Dr. Mercedes Barredo Concepcion, may we call on Ms. Teresita Calixto Robles to receive the award. Next is Mr. Gene Moniz. Gene Moniz was born and raised in Pasay City. He is a well-known hairstylist and a top-to-go artist for celebrity. A-listers such as Judy Ann Santos, Ann Curtis, Solen Yusuf, Georgina Wilson, Liz Uy, Martin Yevera, Senator Robin Padilla, just to name a few. Palapakan po natin again, Mr. Gene Moniz.
Kinakabahan ako sa i-reveal ko picture. Hindi ko alam kung anong picture sa akin. So guys, we just finished receiving an award here in Pasay City. So ayan, as you can see, ba natin ito? Secret yan.